Today I'm going to teach you guys how to edit your chart, how to add currency pairs and how to delete currency pairs, how to put in drawings and how to put in moving averages and indicators. If you're just joining, this is Leonard FX and this is my channel. Let's go. First of all, this is the watch list. To edit your watch list, just tap on the add there. Then this is Euro USD. This is GBP USD and this is USD JPY. If you want to add this to your watch list, just tap on add to watch list. If you get here, you tap add to watch list, add to watch list, and add to watch list. As you can see, as I'm adding them, they are adding to my watch list. Then whenever I want to put in any pair I want, then this is it. Put in Euro USD. This is the Euro USD chart. This is the Euro USD chart. Here, this is the GP USD back, USD JPY, and USD AUD USD. Sorry. Now, another thing I want to talk about is how to add new drawings, how to put in drawings in your chart. A lot of people have been finding it difficult to add drawings, delete drawings, and a lot of things like that. If you want to add drawings, you can see a lot of drawings here, a lot of stickers and other tools. This is a tool, this is a tool, this is a tool, this is a Fibonacci retracement here. Then if you want to add, just tap on an arrow, this arrow pointing to the right hand side, then add to favorite so that you can use it later. Then also add to favorite so that whenever you want to draw, it will be going back to the box to select anyone. You just go here, you see your preferred drawing tool. So another thing is long and short. These are tools I use. These are tools I use long and short, and this is my rectangle. Yeah, brush rectangle. It's supposed to be there. Yeah, rectangle. So that's all for now. So if you want to make use of Fibonacci retracement, like I said before, Fibonacci retracement. This is the premium side and this is the discount side. This is a premium and discount, two of them. Anyone you want to choose, that's just 50%. So if you want to edit your Fibonacci retracement, let me make it to original Fibonacci retracement. This is how Fibonacci retracement is. This is how Fibonacci retracement is. And if you want to edit it to your own taste or the way I edited mine before, all you have to do is just to tap on settings here. If you tap on settings, take it to this window. Then if you want to use the 50-50 the discount and premium level, like the 50-50 levels, then you have to delete all this. You have to delete this, delete the one, delete this, delete this, delete this also, delete this, delete this, and delete this. As you can see, we are back to where we started. This is my 50% discount price and 50% premium price. As you can see here, this is my discount and premium. Discount and premium. This is how I use my Fibonacci retracement. So the next thing I'm going to talk about in this video is how to change the color of your candlesticks. If you are finding it difficult also to change the color of your candlesticks to your preferred colors, because many candlesticks are red and green and blue and the one you want, so you can change it from here. So just double tap on the candlestick. Or if you don't want that, you can tap on this, go to settings, tap on more settings here, go to canvas. This for the background, but for the candlestick, go to symbols. This represents the bearish candlestick, and this side represents the bullish candlestick. As you can see, this is the black body and green body, black borders and black borders, black borders and black borders. So this is my bullish candle. Then if I want to change my bullish candle to purple, you can see it have changed to purple, and my bearish candle to maybe red. You can see if I want to no change, if I still want to change it to black, I will change it to black. It's very simple as that. Just change to any color you want to change to make your chart look more beautiful and comfortable for you. So let me remove this then. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the moving averages, how to add and delete the moving averages. So this is the moving averages indicators. So tap here. This is my favorite. Other these ones are the ones I use. The EMA to stroke. So it's one, the target price. You can see the FUV, FBG, FUSAM, and others. Then this officials, technicals, and a lot of things. So these are the moving averages. These are the patterns. These are the averages. These are the indicators. These are indicators. These are indicators. These are indicators. So if you want to use any one of them, like I have added these ones to my favorite. I can just go here, tap here. It have added to my chart. You can see it will be indicating the FVG place, like the place, the fair value gaps here. This means fair value gaps, maybe market will come back here, tapping, something like that. So next I'm going to talk about is time frame, how to add time frame to your chart. Adding time frame is not difficult. Just tap here, go to here, tap. Then you can add the 1 minute time frame so that it will be easier for you next time to choose your preferred time frame. Add 30 minutes time frame. Then add 1 hour time frame also, and so on. Any time frame you want to add, you can add. These are the time frames I normally use. These are the time frames I normally use. So if you want to change your chart also to line chart, you want to change it to line chart. This is a line chart. This is a line chart here. Or if you want to change it to higher low candles, you can change it to low candles. But I normally use my candlesticks. That's what I use. If you want to change it to bars also, you can change it to bars. As you can see, you can change it to bars if you understand it. So you don't understand that. I'm not gonna lie. So as you can see here, my chart is the way I want it to be. You can do yours. Trust me, you can do yours. Just follow the steps I showed you and you can do yours. And if you are choosing a broker for your chart, I would advise you choose FXCM, because FXCM is a broker I use to view my charts, the preferred broker for me. I use them, I use their charts to analyze the market, place my orders in like MT4, MT4, MT5, anyone you want to use though. So these are these are um other brokers here. You can use any of them, but I will advise you to use FX here. They are more better. They are more better. Trust me. You can see a lot of brokers here. So let me go back to my FX here. You can see if you want to add crypto to your watch list, you can add any crypto of your choice. If you want to add index to your watch list, you can add any index. bonds, economy options, anyone at all you want to add. You can add it to your watch list. Um, okay, how to use the drawings. This is for long positions. Assuming you cut it straight from here, these are long positions. If you want to change the color of this long position, you only have to do just double tap, then change the color. Or you can change it from here, just tap once, then go here. This is for the long position. Then I'll put it green. I'll put green. Then maybe I'll put this black or red. I'll put this red. And see, my long and short positions are differentiated. Sorry, my profit is like my target. This is my target, and this is my risk. Understand? This is my stop loss side, and this is my profit side. They are differentiated. As you can see, it's very simple. Just like that. This is a short position. Same thing here. Same thing here. You can change the color as well to make it look more preferable the way you want them. You can change the colors. Then this I used to draw lines. Any kind of line you want to draw. Any kind of line you want to draw. And if you want to delete these drawings at once, all you have to do is just to go here. You'll see a delete box. Tap on to remove 239 drawings. Delete all. If you want to delete the filter gap, also the indicator, all you have to do is just start here, then go delete in one indicator, remove one indicator. You can see it's out. This is how it's done. Um, Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Turn on your notification button so that you'll be seeing more and more of content and helpful content in your trading journey. Peace out.